Children, welcome to your maths class. So children, in previous session we learned about the concept of multiplications. On this session we learned what is the meaning of multiplication. So children, you know that the meaning of multiplication is repeated additions, correct? We also learn how we can perform the multiplications on number line, okay? So after that, on today's session we are going to learn the sum multiplications tables of the numbers. So just for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, okay? And after that, we on the basis of the multiplications we solve the exercise of this okay? So children, everyone open the page number 112 in your Fusion Sem 2 textbook and let's start learning. Okay, so children, we start from the question number 2, page number 112. Okay, so everyone be ready with your pencil and take your pencil and come to at the page number 112 in your Fusion 2 Sem 2 textbook. Okay, so now, so the question is count, add and then write the multiplications fact. So what you have to do, see there are three groups of the, how many groups of the number 5? In one groups, how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in one group we have 5. In another group again we have 5. So write down here. And in third group again we have 5. So write down here. So what will be the total number of kites? 5 plus 5 plus 5. So here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the total number of kites will be 15. Okay, now we have to use the concept of multiplications. Okay, so how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, three groups of how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites. Okay, so 3 into 5 will be 15. Okay, in the same manner, come to the next question. Here we have groups of balls. How many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, firstly we have to do the addition. After that we have to perform multiplication. So for addition, here we have 5 groups and 5 boxes are there. In each group we have how many balls? 2 balls now. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, total 5 groups. Okay, so what will be the total number of balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number will be 10. This is the additive additions. Okay, now we have to perform multiplications. So how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of how many balls? 2 balls. So 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Okay, now come to the next question. Here we have the 3 groups of 4 cups. Okay, so how many groups of 4 cups? 1, 4, second 4, third 4. So the total number of cups will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will be 12. Okay, or we can say that how many groups? 3 groups of 4 cup. So it will be 12. Okay, see, coming to the last one. Here we have 4 groups of 3 balls. So how many groups we have? 4 groups now. In each group we have 3 balls. 3, 3, 3, 3. So the total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or we can say that 4 groups of 3 ball. So it will be 12. Okay, so this is the concept of multiplications where we do the repeated additions. Now multiplication table. So children, I know you all are aware of these tables. Okay, so we already discussed about the table in the previous session, so we can move further. Firstly, we repeat the table with me, that is multiplication table of 2. 1 into 2 is equals to 2, 2 into 2 is equals to 4, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 2, 10, 6 into 2, 12, 7 into 2, 14, 8 into 2, 16, 9 into 2, 18 and 10 into 2, 20. In the same manner, when we multiplied with 3, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 3, 15, 6 into 3, 18, 7 into 3, 21, 8 into 3, 24, 9 into 3, 27 and 10 into 3, 30. So this is the repeated additions. It means when we add three groups, three objects in one group, it will be 3. When we have two groups of 3 objects, it will be 6. When we have 3 groups of 3 objects, it will be 9. When we have 4 groups of 3 objects, will be 12. When we have 5 group of 3 objects, will be 15. Okay, so in the same manner, come to the 4. When we have when we have one group of 4 objects, it will be 4. When we have 2 groups of 4 objects, it will be 8. When we have 3 group of 4 objects, it will be 12. See, here we have 3 groups. Here we have 3 groups of 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will be 12. Okay, so 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 4, 24. 7 into 4, 28. 8 into 4, 32. 9 into 4, 36. And 10 into 4, 40. So this is the multiplication table, and children, you have to learn it by heart. Okay, so try to learn it. See, if we have the 5 objects, okay, one group of 5 objects, 5. 2 groups of 5 objects, 10. 3 groups of 5 objects, 15. Same manner, 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 5, 30. 7 into 5, 35. 8 into 5, 40. 9 into 5, 45. 10 into 5, 50. Now see what we have. If we have the groups of 10 objects, it is very interesting. Okay, when we have the groups of the 10 objects, so how many groups are there? Same. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 3 into 10, 30. 4 into 10, 40. 5 into 10, 50. 6 into 10, 60. 7 into 10, 70. 8 into 10, 80. 9 into 10, 90. 10 into 10, 100. Okay. Now we have to apply this concept in the exercise. Okay, so practice time, page number 114. So what you have to do, children, see, this is very easy. Okay, you have to apply only concept. When you add 4, 4, 4, how many times we have 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4 times. How many objects? 4 objects. That is 4 into 4. So see, come to the table and find out 4 into 4. So see, 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So it will be 16. It means you have to learn it. Okay, learn it by heart. Learn the table. Okay, now we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5. 5 into 5. Find out the table. Where is it? 5 into 5 is equals to 25. So write down 25. So the sum will be again 25. It is very easy. Now 10 into, how many times we have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 10. So 5 into 10. Find out in the table. 5 into 10. It will be 50. So write down here 50. So the sum will be 50. Okay. Now again we have 2. How many groups of 2 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2. Okay. So come find out the table of 2. Here we have a table of 2. 4 groups of 2 objects. So it will be 8. So what you have to do? You have to write it here. Okay. And sum will be the same. Yes. Now we have to find the products of the following numbers. It means you have to take the help of multiplications table. Yes, correct. So first 5 into 5, 25 is given. 6 into 10. So see in the table, 6 into 10, it will be 60. So write down 60. 5 into 3, come at the table of the 5. 5 times 3. So table of 3. 5 into 3, it will be 15. So write down 15 here. Okay. Now 6 into 3, again 3 groups of 6 objects. 3 into 6. 6 into 3, it will be 18. So write down 18. Children, you have to learn it by heart. If you are not able to learn the multiplications, you are not able to do the exercise. Okay, so learn it by heart, everyone. Now 8 into 5 means come to the table of multiplication table. 8 into 5, it will be 40. So fill it here. Now 9 into 2, to come at the table of 2, find where it is. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. So fill it. 7 into 4, come at the table of 4. 7 into 4, it will be 28. So write down. 4 into 10. 4 into 10. So 4 into 10 is equals to 40. So write down here. 7 into 3, it means you have to come at the table of 3. So 7 into 3, it will be 21. So write down 21. Okay. Yes. Now again we have some fill in the boxes. We have to complete it. Okay. So children, 5 into what is equals to 25. Okay, so see in the, find out in the table of multiplications. Okay, when you multiply by 5, to which number you get 25. So see here we have 5 into 5, it will be 25. So here you have to fill 5. Okay, from which number you multiply 10, that's you get 20. So 10, from which number you multiplied it, that's you will get 20. So see, come at the table of 20. When you multiplied it by 1, we get 10. When it multiplied by 2, it will be 20. So here it will be 2. Okay. Okay. Now we have a dash into 2 is equals to 10. Okay. It means from which number we multiply 2, that's we get 10. Okay, so when we multiply 2 by 1, we get 2. When we what is the question? We have to get 10 now. So when you multiply 2 into 2, it will be 4. It's wrong. When you multiply 2 into 3, it will be 6. It also not there. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. This is also not correct answer. But when we multiply 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Okay, 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Okay, so it will be 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Okay, or now 9 into 4 what? 9 into 4. So you have to come at the table of 4. Okay, question is 9 into 4. 9 groups of 4. 9 into 4 is equals to 36. So write down 36. Okay, dash into 3 is equals to 24. Okay, so come to the multiplication table of 3. Here we have, and we get the answers 24. See, where is 24? 24. So 8 into 3 is equals to 24. It means you have to multiply by 8. So write it here. 8 into 3 is equals to 24. Now is equals to 5 is equals to what? It means you have to move to the 5 multiplication table. Okay, 5. Here we have multiplication table of 5. See the answer, where is 30 we have? Here we have 30. So answer will be 6 into 5 is equals to 30. So write down 6 into 5 is equals to 30. We have 9 into 3 is equals to what? So come to the table of 3. Okay, and find out 9 into 3 is equals to 27. So fill it. 27. 5 into what is equals to 50? Okay, 5 into what is equals to 50? So see, 50 now. So you can see there is a result in tens table. We have 20, 30, 40, 50. So here we have 50. Okay, so 5 into 10 is equals to 50. So 10. Okay, now 6 into 2. It means we have to come at the table of 2. Okay, see here. So 6 into 2 is equals to 12. So fill it. 6 into dash is equals to 24. So you have to check the groups of the 6 now. So here we have 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 12, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4 is equals to 24. So this one will be the correct. Okay. 1 into dash is equals to 4. So when we multiplied any number by 1, we get the same number. So 1 into 4 will be 4. Okay. 9 into what is equals to 36. 9 na? So you have to check from 1. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 4, 36. So it will be 4. Okay, children. So see, if you don't know about the multiplication table, you are not able to understand anything and you are not able to solve any question. So children, learn the multiplication table by heart. It's very... Now solve the word problem. How we can solve it? So children, see, there are 3 cookies on a plate. Here we have 2 plates and there are 3 cookies in each plate. How many cookies are there on 2 such plates? So see, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, or we can see that 2 group of 3 cookies will be 6. Okay. In the same manner, there are 4 roses in a bunch. How many roses are there in 3 such bunch? So how many bunches are there? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So according to the multiplication table, 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Okay. Now third one, there are 10 color pencils in a holder. How many color pencils are there in a 4 such holders? Okay, here we have 4 holders and in each folder we have 10 pencils. So how many groups of folders we have? 4. And in each group how many pencils we have? 10. So 4 into 10 is equals to 40. Okay, come to the next page, that is page number 116. Add, count, add and then write the multiplications fact. It's the same, children. So in here we have 3 groups. In each group we have 3 cats. So we can write it as 3 plus 3 plus 3. Or we can use the multiplication fact. How many groups we have? 3 groups of 3 cats. So it will be 9. Okay. And mark it as a homework. In the same manner you have to write. Okay. 2 shoes we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or we have 4 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 2 shoes. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Okay. Now match the following. One has been done for you. Children, you have to perform it with the help of the multiplication. See, here we have 5 into 10, 50. 6 into 2. If you know 6 into 2 is equals to 12, or you can find out with the multiplication table. 6 into 2 is equals to